Hello, this is Volvo Man 124. This is my next video. Long time coming, I know. This is my new car, Volvo 740 GL. Bit of a monster. It's a really big car, and it's my dream car. But it breaks down a lot. The RAC man has just left now after mending it, but overall I'm very happy with it, even though it does break down a fair bit and it uses a hell of a lot of fuel. I'll show you the inside. Oh, see that? Volvo. This is the inside of it. It's got electric seats and shit like that. Really comfy. I'll start it up now if you want. There you go. Got a few warning lights on there. And that's about it really. Here's the electric seats. See, like that. 5-speed manual, radio, all that shit there. It's just really good car. 2 litre injection. Absolute monster. And it uses a fucking lot of fuel. And that's my video finished right now. Please subscribe and leave comments if you want to. Thanks a lot.